Spend a day in the life with a full-time furniture refinisher and content creator. So I wake up pretty much every morning to the sound of this dog screaming. He is Yukon. He is just about 5 months old, very cute, so we always get some little plays in the morning because he's always so rambunctious. Throw in some sweats and then attempt to make a coffee while he comes and bites the back of my pant legs incessantly. He's been teething a lot lately, so I've been freezing this kibble into ice cube trays, which gives him something to gnaw on and kind of like subsides the pain. And then I put his breakfast in his snuffle mat while I got on the laptop, answered some emails, and then made some pins for Pinterest for the podcast episode that just went up, Busy Bee Refinishing with Mel Did It Herself, talking about safety gear in furniture refinishing. And then I replied to some Instagram comments. After eating, he got some more ice cubes again. And then I headed downstairs to put together a Canva carousel post with just kind of like a teaser for the podcast episode. I like to post these on my Instagram to hopefully get people interested to listen in. And thank God for Canva templates, because I do not have a creative brain like that. I cannot do that sort of putting together like a beautiful thing like that. Anyways, moving on. Came upstairs to do a 10-minute tidy. Got the dishes from last night cleaned up and reorganized the Tupperware down in that cupboard quickly. And then folded some towels that I had put in the dryer last night. Then it was time to get the little one ready. He was going on his first day at puppy daycare. It was bittersweet. So we got the collar on and then the harness and the leash, which is made easier by giving him treats consistently so his mouth is preoccupied so he does not bite me. And here's today's fit. Got the Aritzia sweatsuit, my Coach purse that I wear every day, and these Walmart sunglasses. I wonder if he knows. And then I dropped him off and I was so sad, but he had a great day. So it all worked out, but it was like dropping off your little baby for the first time. My sadness was quickly eliminated as I got home and was able to freely vacuum the house without him attacking the vacuum. So that was nice. And then I put together some of my athletic greens, put away those dishes that were now dry just to get the kitchen in good working order. And then I prepped some overnight oats. And then I sat down to kind of plan out my week next week. And this was Friday, so I was sending out my weekly newsletter. It's called the Friday Furniture Focus, where I send out tips and tricks for doing furniture makeovers, as well as furniture refinishing inspo. If you want to sign up, you can head to my website, meldiditherself.ca. Then I went outside to the garage and I noticed that the top coat had horribly dried on this piece. It looked horrendous. I don't know why. It was a different product that I tried using that I will not recommend. So then I sanded it back down because I'm going to have to redo that. And then I had this pair of MCM side tables, or like nesting tables, that my neighbor was giving away on garbage day that I snagged because I'm a total garbage picker. There was some water damage that just sanded away beautifully. And I was like, damn, they're made in Denmark. They look great. I missed one spot, so I went in and sanded that after. And then I had done a repair on this with some liquid plastic, and I just filled in any little spots that weren't perfectly smooth with some wood filler. And then went in for a bite to eat and had this leftover, like, things that I used to make sushi the night before. So I just made like a sushi bowl with some soy sauce, spicy mayo, and then sriracha, mixed it up. And then grabbed some seaweed to use as like little kind of wrap. Basically, with any food, if I just put it in some sort of receptacle, it just tastes so much better. Put it in a wrap, in a sandwich, I don't know, wrap some shit around it. Always tastes better. Then I went on Twitter and posted about the podcast, and then I had a very exciting Busy Bees in Business strategy session with Laura. She reached out because her pieces weren't selling very well, so we went over some tips for things that she can integrate into her listings. Stay tuned for that episode on the podcast, and if you'd like to sign up, you can head to my bio because I am offering those free. And then my 3-day-old makeup needed to come off, so I'm using my original makeup eraser, which I love to take off my makeup, and I had to have a shower. Then doing some skincare with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Line Serum, Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer, the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and of course, some quick deo. But first I tanned. I love this Jergens Natural Glow. I use the Ultra Deep Bronze, and I use the Saint Tropez mitt. That looks kind of gross. Once everything simmered on my skin for a bit, I went in and did my makeup because we were going out later, and I just wanted to get that off of my to-do list. You can head to my beauty playlist if you want to see my makeup routine. It's in there somewhere. Give my hair a little zhuzh and threw it in a claw clip. And then I was ready to head out to go get Yuki. I've been trying these Zoa energy drinks from Costco lately. They're actually pretty good. 0 sugar, cheaper than getting like Monsters. And Yukon was so excited to see us. And then it was time for him to eat his dinner. It was Friday, so I made a round of Caesars. We sat in the back with our neighbors. Look at their cute pug. Oh my god, his name's Tom Yum. He's so cute. He's from Thailand. Yukon was being a bit much, so he got to watch us from afar. And then we went out to Shoeless Joe's, had a G&T, and these maple bacon chicken tenders were so good. And look at this cheesecake that my friend got. Oh, so good. Okay, then it was time for bed. Thanks for watching.